Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine. So here in this video, we are going to discuss the Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 30th October 2022. Now here we are going to discuss the first part of this paper and that is of mathematics. So here let's begin with the first question of this paper. So here the first question is, the value of the given expression lies between. We have to find out the value of this given expression and then out of the four options we have to opt the correct answer. So let's solve this question. 8 plus 18 multiplied by 36 divided by 72 minus 4. So here we are going to use the BODMAS rule. So according to BODMAS, we have to first do the division part. So according to that, we get 8 plus 18 multiplied by 36 divided by 2. We get the answer 0.5 minus 4. Now, in the BODMAS rule, after division, we get multiplication. So after that, we are going to apply the multiplication part. So here, 8 plus 18 multiplied by 0.5 will give us 9 minus 4. Now 8 plus 9 is 17 minus 4. Now we get the answer 13. So here, according to the option, we can say that option B is the correct answer as 13 lies between 12 to 14. Now let's begin with the next question, that is, find the missing 10th place digit that is indicated with the question mark in the multiplier of the given multiplication. Now here we are given a multiplication, that is 14.2 multiplied by 1 point. The 10th digit is unknown to us here. Now the product of these multipliers is 24.14. Here we have to find out this 10th place digit. So we are going to take a clue from this last unit place by which number we have to multiply by 2 so that the product will be 4. Now here we are going to first apply this option A here. Option A is 2. Now let's do the multiplication with putting the value in place of question mark 2. Now it is a two-step multiplication. Here 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, then 2 multiply 2, 4 and here 1, 4, 10, 7, 1. So the answer will be 17.04. So here, by checking with the question, we get the answer here 17.04. That is not the correct answer according to the question. So we are not going to apply this option A here. So option A is cancelled out. Let's take option B, that is 4. Now 4 times 2 is 8. We want the product 4, not 8. So option B is cancelled. Now let's go for option C, that is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. The unit place of 16 is 6. So again, by checking with the question, we are not taking option C as it is not valid for the given question. Now last is option D. Let's do the multiplication by putting the value of option D in the question. So here 14.2 multiply by 1.7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 1 is 29. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2, 9. 2, 4, 1. Now 4, 11, 14, here it is 2. So here we get 24.14, which is the correct answer according to the question. So here we will go with the option number D. Now, the third question is, in the figure shown below, angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. So, let's see BAC. This is 90 degree. What is the value of x? We have to find out the value of x in the given figure. Now, let's take a clue from the figure. Here it is a straight line. And a straight line is equal to 180 degree angle, right? So, according to the straight line, we can say that 180 degree minus 115, which will give us 65 degree. So, here the interior angle of this triangle will be 65 degree. Now, in the triangle ABC, we got two angles here. And now we have to find out the third angle so that we can apply the same straight line angle rule to get the value of x. Now, according to the angle sum property of the triangle, we are going to add this three angles to get the value. So, here 90 degree plus 65 degree plus angle C will give us 180 degree, as it is an angle sum rule of a triangle. So, here 90 plus 65 will give us this 155 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So, angle C will be 180 degree minus 155 degree. So, angle C will be, after doing the subtraction, we get 25 degree. So, here the third angle will be 25 degree. Now, according to 180 degree, as it is a straight line, so 180 minus 25 degree, 155. So, here according to this, option D is the correct answer. Question is, the given figure is made up of 4 identical cubes. So, here we are given with the 4 identical cubes, that is 1, 2, 3 and this is the fourth one. We have to find out the volume of the whole figure. Now, to find out the volume of the whole figure, first of all, we should know what is the side of this cube. Now, according to this figure, we are given with the length of this 3 cubes, that is 24. Now, this length is made up by joining the 3 cubes, 3 identical cubes. So, we are going to divide this 24 by 3. So, we will get 8 centimeter. Now, we have got width 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. This is the length of one side of the cube, and we know that cube has all the sides equal. Now, what is the volume of a cube? Volume of a cube is side multiply by side multiply by side, or we can say that side cube. So, here 8 multiply by 8 multiply by 8, we get 512 centimeter cube. This is the volume of a one cube. So, here we have to find out the volume of 4 identical cubes. So, we are going to multiply 512 by 4. Now, after doing the multiplication, we will get here 2048 centimeter cube, which is option B. So, here option B is the correct answer. Now, let's begin with the next question. Question number 5 is match the column. Match the following items given in list 1 with that in list 2. First is the largest prime factor of 3834 is. Now, out of these 4, we have to find out the largest prime factor of 3834. 3,834. So first of all, we should know what are the factors of 3,834. Now, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 54, 71. Now here, 71 is the largest factor, prime factor of 3,834 out of these 4 options. So we can say that P will going to match with third part of list 2. Now, the second is the difference of LCM and SCF of 24 and 96 is. Now here, LCM of 24 and 96 is 96. So, LCM is 96 and SCF is 24. Now, what we are going to do here? We are going to subtract 96 and 24 as we are given with the difference. So, the difference of the LCM and HCF of 24 and 96 is 96 minus 24, we get 72. So, here option 1 is the correct answer for Q. Now, the next is 16 less than 5th multiple of 15 is. Now, 5th multiple of 15 means 15 times 5 will give us 75. Now here we have to subtract 16 from this 5th multiple of 15. So we are going to subtract minus 16 here and we will get the answer 59. So the last 4th option is the correct answer for the R. Now the last is the largest 3-digit number is divisible by. Now, the last option we are left with second term, that is 37. So, our sequence is here we can write down 3, 1, 4, 2. So, here option D is the correct answer as it is 3, 1, 4, 2. So, I hope you understood this question. Now, let's begin with the next question. Question number 6. In the figure shown below, ABCD is a rectangle and APQC is a square. Now, this one is a square and ABCD is a rectangle. So, here in the rectangle, we know that opposite sides are equal. So, here AD is 3 cm, it means BC is also 3 cm. Now, APQC is a square, so we know that if one side is 5 cm, all the rest of the sides of a square are also 5 cm as all sides of a square are equal. So, 5 cm, this is also 5 cm and this is also 5 cm. Now, if the parameter of the whole figure is 22 cm, we are given with the parameter of this whole figure that is 22 cm, then the area of the shaded portion will be. So, here we have to find out the area of this shaded portion. Now, to find out the area of the shaded portion, we have to subtract the area of the triangle from the area of the square. So, what we have to do here? We have to first find out the area of the square. Then we have to find out the area of the triangle. So, we have to subtract area of the triangle from the area of the square to find out the area of this shaded portion. So, we are given with the parameter 22. Now, let's find out this unknown side DC. Now, here let's calculate 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus side DC, that is equal to 22 centimeter. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, let's begin with the calculation part. 18 plus C, that is equal to 22. So side DC is equal to 22 minus 18, which will give us 4. So here the side DC will be 4 centimeter. If side is 4 centimeter, the opposite side, that is AB, will also be 4 centimeter. So we are given with all the sides of the rectangle and squares. Now let's find out the area of the square. Area of the square is side multiplied by side, and side is 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter, which will give us 25 centimeter square. Now area of the triangle is half into base into height. Half into base into height. Now here base is, we can say, 4 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. So after doing the cancellation, we will get 6 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Now we have to do the subtraction here, because we have to find out the area of the shaded portion. So 25 centimeter square minus 6 centimeter square will give us 19.0 centimeter square, which is the correct answer. Now here, according to the option A is the correct answer for the question number 6. Now let's begin with the next question. Question number 7 is, how many chords and radii are shown in the circle with center O given below? Now we are given with the figure, and in this figure we have to find out how many chords and radii are there in the figure. Now first of all, let us clear with the terms chords. Chords are the line segments joining 2 points on the circumference of the circle. And what is radius? Radius is a line segment with one end point at the center of the circle and the other end point on the circle. So we have to find out chords and radii from this given figure. Now let's begin with finding out how many chords and radii are there in this given figure. So first of all, let's name the points. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now let's begin with first chords. Let's find out how many chords are there in this given figure. Here it is. First chord BG. Next one is BE. Next is CF. EF. And the last one is EG. One, two, three, four, 5. So we have 5 chords in this given figure. Now let's find out how many radii do we have. Now we have to check the center first. OA. Next is OB. Next one is this one, that is OD. Next one is OE. And the last one is OG. So here we have 5 chords and 5 radii. So we can say that option B is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question. Question number 8. Two angles of a quadrilateral are 147 degree and 113 degree. Other two angles differ by 8 degree. Find the smallest angle of the quadrilateral. We know that quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. So let's draw one quadrilateral. Let's say this is a quadrilateral. Now, one angle is given with 113 degree, another one is given with 147 degree. We have to find out rest two angles. So let's say this is angle x and the fourth angle will be x minus 8. So this is a quadrilateral name as A, B, C, D. Okay. Now let's find out the value of these unknown angles by applying the angle sum property of quadrilateral. So angle sum property of quadrilateral says that the sum of these four angles will be 360 degree. So let's say 147 degree plus 113 degree plus x minus 8 equal to 360 degree. Now we have to do the addition and subtraction to get the value of the unknown angle. So here 147 plus 113 will give us 260 degree plus 2x minus 8 equal to 360 degree. Now 260 minus 8 will give us 252 plus 2x equal to 360 degree. Now 2x equal to 360 degree minus 252 degree, that is equal to 108 degree. So here x is equal to 108 upon 2. After doing the cancellation, we get 54 degree. So here the value of x is 54 degree. But we have to find out the value of the smallest angle. So what we are going to do here? We are going to subtract 8 from this 54. So after subtracting 8 from 54, we get 46 degree. So here the smallest angle in the quadrilateral is 46 degree. So option B is the correct answer. Let's begin with the next question. Population of India in 2013 was 1,274,239,769. The sum of the place value and the face value of the 10 million digit of the 10-digit number given above is. We have to find out the sum of place value and face value of the digit that is placed on 10 million. Means we have to find out the place value and face value of 7 which is placed on the 10th million place. Now here the sum of place value of 7 and the face value of 7 is. Now the place value of 7 is 10 million. That is this is the place value of 7, 70 million, and the face value of 7 is 7. So the sum of these two number is 700. So according to the option, we can say that option B is the correct answer. Let's begin with the next question. Question number 10. The product of all the factors of 18 is. Now first of all, we have to find out the factors of 18. So factors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So we have to find out the product of all the factors. So 1 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 6, multiplied by 9, multiplied by 18 will give us 5832. So according to the option, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question. That is question number 11. For 1 unit square, the parameter of the shaded portion in the given figure is. So here we have to find out the parameter of the shaded portion. So let's begin with the counting 1. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. This is 32. So according to the option, we can say that 32 unit is the correct answer for question number 11. Now let's begin with the next question. Question number 12. Read the following statements carefully and answer the given questions. We have to read the statement and then we have to find out the answer. X is a prime number. Here we are given with variable x, which is a prime number, which is the predecessor of a prime number. It is already a predecessor of a prime number below 10. So here we have to find out a number which is already a predecessor of a prime number. So let's write down the prime number 2, 3, 5, 7. So here we are given with only 4 prime numbers that are below 10. So here we have to find out the value of x here, which is a prime number and already a predecessor of a prime number. So for a predecessor, we know that we have to subtract 1. So here only 2 prime numbers are in the consecutive form, that is 2 and 3. So if we say that 3 is a prime number and the predecessor of this 3 is 2 and 2 is also a prime number. So we can say that the value of x is 2 because 2 is a prime number which is a predecessor of a prime number. So 2 is a predecessor of prime number 3. Now let's solve the second part of this question. Y is a composite number which is the successor of a composite number. We have to find out the value of y, which is already a composite number and successor of a composite number that is also below 10. Now let's write down the composite number below 10, that is 4, 6, 8, 9. These are the 4 composite numbers below 10. Now we have to find out 2 numbers back to back, or we can say that a consecutive composite number, because here we are talking about the successor. Successor means addition of 1. So here we are having 8 and 9, 2 composite number which are in the consecutive form. Now, in 8, if we add 1, we get a composite number 9. So here we have to find out the value of y, which is a composite number and which is also a successor of a composite number. So here we can say that 9 is the value of y as it is a composite number, and it is also the successor of a composite number, that is 8. If we add 1 with 8, we get composite number 9. Now, the third, z is a number between 0 to 10. That is neither a prime nor a composite. It means the value of z is 1, because only 1 is neither prime nor composite. What is the product of x, y, z? Now we have to find out the product of x, y and z. So the value of x is 2 multiplied by value of y is 9 and value of z is 1. So here we get 18 is the product of x, y and z. So option C is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question. Question number 13. Now in this question, the figure is given to us. The area of shaded portion is 252 centimeter square. So we are given with the area of this shaded portion. Now find the parameter of the rectangle PQRS. We have to find out the parameter of this rectangle, the big rectangle, that is PQRS. For finding out the parameter of rectangle, we know the formula, that is 2 length plus breadth. So this is the parameter of rectangle. For this, we have length, but we are not given with the complete breadth. Only we are given with the 6 centimeter. We are not given with this or QR. So first of all, we are going to find out the breadth of this rectangle. Let's begin with the calculation part. Here we are going to make the partition in this shaded part. Now this is a rectangle 1. We can say that here. Let's take a point A and let it be B. So here this is the first rectangle A, B, let it be C and S. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, this is whole is 30, this is 8 centimeter. So 30 minus 8 we get 22 centimeter. So this is 22, this is 22 centimeter. Now the area of this shaded portion means this rectangle is length into breadth. So 6 multiplied by 22 will give us 132 centimeter square. So this is the area of this rectangle ABCS. Now we are going to find out the next partition area. So let's break down this part also. This is 8 centimeter. So this will also 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. So this is another rectangle CR and let it be D. So here in this rectangle, the area will be 6 multiplied by 8, that is length multiplied by breadth, will give us 48 centimeter square. Now the last rectangle, that is 8, we are not given with the breadth. So here let it be X. Now 8 multiplied by X will give us 8x centimeter square. Now we got 3 rectangles in the shaded portion. So let's find out the value of X from this. So let's add this 3 rectangle area, 132 centimeter square plus 48 centimeter square plus 8x centimeter square, that is equal to 252 centimeter square. 252 centimeter square. So let's calculate this part. 132 centimeter square plus 48 centimeter square will give us 180 centimeter square plus 8x centimeter square equal to 252 centimeter square. Now 8x is equal to 252 centimeter square minus 180, which will give us 72. Now x is equal to 72 divided by 8 and the value of x is 9. So this will be 9 here. So if this is 9 place of x, so QD will also be 9 here. Now the total breadth of this rectangle PQRS will be 9 plus 6. So here breadth is equal to 9 plus 6, that is equal to 15 centimeter. Now we are going to put the value here because we have to find out the parameter of this rectangle PQRS. So length is 30, breadth is 15. So here we get 30 plus 15 will be 45. So here 2 times 45 is 90 centimeter. So 90 centimeter is the parameter of PQRS. So according to the option, we can say that option A is the correct answer. Now the next question. Question 14 says that the successor of 9,99,999 is. So for successor, we know that we have to just add 1 in the given number. So here, this is a 6-digit number, or we can say that this is the largest 6-digit number. And in the largest 6-digit number, if we add 1, we get the smallest 7-digit number. So here, option D is the correct answer. That is the smallest 7-digit number. Next question is, the correct increasing order of the decimals given below is. We have to find out the increasing order. Increasing order means first we have to take the smallest number, then the greater, then the great. Now let's arrange this decimal numbers in the increasing order. So the smallest number is 1. First of all, let's write down all the 4 numbers. Now, as we know that these decimal numbers are in the unlike form, so we are going to convert this into the like decimal. Now, this is a like decimal. Now, let's arrange in the increasing order 5.10, 5.16, then 5.60, and the last one is 5.61. So let's check the arrangement of these numbers. So here according to the options, we can say that option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is, if the volume of solid 2 is subtracted from the sum of the volumes of solid 1 and solid 3, then the result will be. We have to find out the result. Now we have to first find out the volume of solid 1 and then we have to add that in to volume of solid 3. Then we have to subtract volume of second from this given sum. First of all, let's find out the volume of these 3 solids. Let's begin with the first solid. Let's do the partition here. It's a rectangle. Now the volume of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So here it is 8 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. Now in the rectangle 2, this will be 8 minus 2 will be 6. So here we have 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So here we get 6, 24. So the volume of this solid will be 32 plus 24. That is equal to 56 centimeter cube. This is the volume of first solid. Now let's begin with the second solid. Let's distribute this. So 8, 2 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 32. Now this is 6, 2 and 2. 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 24. The same will be here also, 24. So the volume of solid 2 is 32 plus 24 plus 24. So it will give us 80 centimeter cube. Here it is 8 times 2 times 2. So it is again 32 centimeter. And this will be 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 24. So here 32 plus 24 will give us 56 centimeter cube. Now let's put the value. 56 plus 56 minus 80. So here we get 112 minus 80. After doing the calculation, we get 112 minus 80 will give us 32. So here option A is the correct answer, that is 32 centimeter cube. Now the next question is the value of 0.6 divided by 0.3 multiplied by 0.2 divided by 0.1 is equal to. Applying the BODMAS rule, let's say 0.6 divided by 0.3 will give us 2, and here 0.2 divided by 0.1 will also give us 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So option B is the correct answer. Next, 18 is, in the given triangle ABC, measure of x is a oblique n. We have to find out the value of x here. So here we are going to use the angle sum property. 48 plus 43 plus angle x will give us 180 degree. So this is the angle sum property of a triangle. Now adding these two numbers 48 and 43, we get 91 plus x equal to 180. So here the value of x will be 180 minus 91, that is equal to 89 degree. So here 89 degree is a acute angle. So here option C is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question. Question number 19. In the given figure, if length of AB is greater than the radius of circle with center O, it means length of AB is greater than this radius, then the triangle AOB is A or N. So here OA is a radius, OB is a radius, and AB is greater than this radius. So if two sides are equal and the third side is greater than these sides, so we can say that triangle AOB, or we can say that ABO is an isosceles triangle. As in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So option B is the correct answer. Now question number 20. Sum of the given Roman numerals is. Now here Roman numeral first is, this is your 89 plus C is 100, X is 10 and this is 7. So this will be 117. So adding these two numbers, we get 206. So according to option, we can say that option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is 21, that is 45 billion is equal to. Now the four options are given in Indian system and the question asked is in the international system. So let's first write down the international system. This is ones, tens, 100, then we have 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million, then we have billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Now this is according to the international system. Now let's write down the Indian system. According to Indian system, we have same ones, tens, 100, then 1000, then 10,000 we have, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, then we have Arab, 10 Arab, then we have Arab, and this so on. Now, we are given with the 45 billion. 45 billion lies here. 45 means it is on the tens place. So, according to this, we are on the 10 Arab part. So, this is crore, 10 crore, then Arab, and then Arab. So, according to this, we have to opt the correct option out of these four. So, according to the given option, option D is the correct answer, and this also seems as 4,500 crore. So, now let's begin with the next question. Find the ray in the given below. We have to find out the ray. So, here BA is a ray, this is one, and next is CD, the second ray. So, we can say that from the option D is the correct answer, as both BA and CD are the two rays given in this figure. Next question is the number of right angles in the given figure is. So, we have to find out the number of right angles in the given figure. So, let's begin with the counting part. 1, 2, 3, this is 4, this is 5. So, these are the 5 right angles in the given figure. So, option B is the correct answer. The next question is, which of the angles below is nearest in measure to the one formed by the boy's arms? We have to find out the angle which is formed by the boy's arm. Now here, according to this figure, we can say that the nearest measure of this is option D, as it is forming an obtuse angle. So, option D is the correct answer. Now, the next question 25 is, a sheet of paper is folded once. Now, this is a sheet of paper and it is folded once. Now, how should this folded sheet be cut so that the piece cut out is a square? Now, we have to check which option is the correct for forming a square. So, here we can see that option B is the correct answer for the piece that is cut out is a square. Why it is a square? Because it is already in the rectangular form. We are cutting it into a rectangular form, so it will form a square. Rest of the piece of paper will not form the square part. As these two are already given in the square form, so when they will be going to open, they will form a rectangle part, and here in option D, so it will not be going to form a square because it is only a one-sided part. So option B is the correct answer. Now the next, that is 26th question. Which of the following option holds? Now statement first is, if 7 friends divide 76,895 colored beads among themselves, then each will get 10,984 colored beads. Now we have to check whether this statement is true or false. So let's divide 76,895 beads in 7 friends. So after dividing this colored beads in 7 friends, we get the answer 10,985. So according to the statement 1, we can say that statement 1 is a false statement, as in the calculation it is written there 10,984 instead of 10,985. So statement first is false. Now the statement 2 is, if 16 families went on a trip and pay 2,16,352 in total, then each family will pay 13,522. Let's divide this amount in 16 families. 2,16,352 divided by 16, we get 13,522. So we can say that statement 2 is true. So let's check the option. Here option C is the correct answer, as statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. So according to the question, we can say option C is the correct answer. Now the next one is 27th question. Which of the following options makes the given expression true? Now we have to first calculate the given expression. After that we have to opt the correct option that satisfy this given expression. Now first add the sum of this expression. Here it is. It's 13. So it's 14,10,413. And for the next calculation, the next one is 14,34,280. So according to the option, we can say that option B is the correct answer, as 14,34,280 is greater than 14,10,413. So B is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 28. Find the area of the triangle ABC. We have to find out the area of this triangle. Now this hole is 16 centimeter, and here let's take the point D here. AD, CD and DB, these 3 line segments are equal as given in the figure. So we can say that this is 8 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, and this will also be 8 centimeter, as these 3 line segments are equal in measurement. So area of triangle ABC will be half into base into height. Half into base is 16 and height is 8. So we can say that the answer will be 64 square centimeter or 64 centimeter square. So option D is the correct answer. Now the next question 29 is, a factory produce 9,640,000 tires in the month of May. So the total number of tires that is produced in the month of May is 9,640,000 tires. Out of these, 6,780 tires were found defective in the quality check, and this is the defective tires. Now, how many tires were not defected? We have to find out how many tires are not defected. So, what we are going to do here, we are going to subtract the defective part from the total. So, the subtraction will be so the answer will be 8,93,858. So we can say that option A is the correct answer. Now the last question, that is 100 million divided by 10,000 equals. So here first of all we have to write down 100 million. So divided by 10,000. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is left with us? We are left with us 10,000. So here option D is the correct answer. I hope you all understood these questions.
Hello students, today I will discuss the MOF paper solution of class 5th science part 2nd. First question is, there are dash number of bones in our body. As you all know that 206 are the number of bones in a human body. So answer will be C. Next question is, cardiac muscles are present in. C option is the most appropriate heart. Next question is, veins, arteries, capillaries along with the blood form the, all are the part of circulatory system. Option A is correct. Next question. Raveen met with an accident and had a fracture. Which of the following clearly gives the fracture details to the doctor? Our most appropriate option is B. X-ray will give the most appropriate report of the ravine. Next question. Match the following items in the list 1 and list 2. In list 1, vitamins are given, and the second is deficiency of the disease are given. First is vitamin A causes night blindness. Vitamin B causes beriberi. Vitamin C causes scurvy. And vitamin D causes rickets. Now move to the options. P resembles with the third. P resembles in 3 options. Now move to the second. B resembles in second. It is given only in 1 option. So the most appropriate answer will be D. Next question is, doctor told Radha that she is suffering from the diabetes, which is a chronic disease. It means that diabetes is a chronic disease. Chronic disease are those diseases which are affect for long time. First option is, her disease will last only for a short time, as known as acute disease. Her disease can be transmitted from one person to, it is a non-infectious disease. Her disease can be controlled but generally not cured. It is correct. Answer will be C option. Next question is, in humans, deficiency of which vitamin shows the symptoms given below? The bones. Bones are affected with the vitamin D. Option will be B. Next question. Decay results in bad breath, cavities and tooth decay. Which of the following causes the tooth decay? It will be most appropriate will be bacteria. Next question is, which of these foods are rich in vitamin A? As we all know that carrot is the rich source of vitamin A. So our correct answer will be option D. Next question is, our body needs a constant supply of oxygen to generate. It needs a energy which generate with the help of oxygen. Our option will be A. Correct option A. Next question is, paper is made up of which material? paper, as you all know, are made up of from trees. C option will be correct. Next question is the table given below. First side is given the way by which the plants reproduce. Seconds are the example. As we all know, seed grow by the reproduction of mango. Underground stem is resembles with potato and leaves resembles with the bryophyllum. P resembles with the first, Q resembles with the second, and R resembles with the third. So most appropriate option will be B. Next question is, which of the following action involve a consumer and a producer? As you all know, plants are the producers and consumers which eat plants. So most appropriate our option will be a rabbit eating a carrot. Next question is, which of the following is not a characteristic feature of birds? As we all know that presence of feathers are present in birds, presence of hollow bones are there, presence of wings are there, and there is absence of teeth. It will be our answer. The correct option will be C. Study the following chains given below carefully. Grass, goat and man, leaves, giraffe and lion, papaya, fruit fly and lizard. Which of the following statement holds the true? We have to find out the true statement given for the food chain. Food and chain start. As you all know that the main component of food chain is producers. Second is all animals that eat plants and other animals. All animals that eat plants and other animals. It is false statement. Next is animals that eat plants become food for the other animals. It will be correct. Animals eat other animals which are smaller than them. So most appropriate our option will be C. First and third are correct for about food chain, and rest of these are false for that. Next question is, Jatin was at a railway station. He observed that there was a gap along the train track. The purpose of having the gap on the train track is to allow. As we all know that during summer, the expansion of the tracks takes place. So the correct answer will be the expansion of the track on the hot days. Next question is, which of the following in example of kinetic energy? As we all know, kinetic energy is energy which help in the movement. So most appropriate is D option. A car is moving. Next question is, which of the following is both lever and wedge? As we all know that Caesar is a example of lever and wedge. Next question is, water in the bottle remains towards the bottom even if we shake it. What is the reason behind it? The reason behind is gravitational force. So the correct option will be A, gravitation force. Next question is, study the given diagram, select an example of L and M. As we all know, there is a diagram. Definite shape resembles with the solid, can be compressed. It resembles with the gas, and M represents with the definite volume. As we all know that L resembles with the definite shape, marble, and M resembles with the definite volume. It is known as liquid, and S is a gas. So most appropriate our answer will be D option. Thanks all of you.
Hello my dear students, my name is Akash Chaudhary. I am your reasoning mentor. Today we are discussing Matrix Olympiad class 5th part 3rd logical reasoning. As you know, let's we start question number first. As you see, question number first say find the next term. Our number series is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What is our next series? As you see, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5. What is your next term for we add 5 in 25? Then you say our answer is 30. Option A is correct answer. Let's see next question. Next question is recurring letter series A, B, dash, D, A, blank, C, D, blank, B, C, D. How many letters are there in the series? As you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If we factor of 12 letter, then you say 4 into 3. आप कह सकते हैं कि 4 के 3 पेयर्स बनाने हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. First letter is A, first letter is A, also third part is first letter A. Second letter B, second letter B, second letter B. Third letter also there C, C, C. Fourth letter is always, our answer is C, B, A, C, B, A. Option B is correct answer. Then you say A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So our pattern is A, B, C, D. Next question is, Ram walks 5 meters towards north. Ram walks 5 meter. Ram walks 5 meter towards north. Then he turns right. Then he turns right and walk 5 meter. Which direction he is facing now? If our direction is east, west, north and south. This direction is called, if this is central point east, north, south, west, this direction is also called east. As you see, our answer is option B. Option B is correct answer, east. Next question is question number 54. Mohan starts from point A and walk 1 kilometer towards south. Mohan starts from point A and walk 1 kilometer towards south. 1 kilometer towards south direction. Turns left and walk 1 kilometer. Then he turns left again and walk 1 kilometer. How far is he from point A? Point A is there. Next, find this distance. As you see, if this side is 1 kilometer, then this is also 1 kilometer. If this is 1 kilometer, this is also 1 kilometer. Our answer is 1 kilometer. Option C is correct answer. Our next question is question number 55. Find the mirror image of fun. As you see, if we find the mirror image of fun, our N is so this way and U is the same and F this way. Our yes same answer is option B is correct answer. Next question is, find the water image of 3184. If 3184. If we see the mirror image, water mirror image of 3184, then 3 is the same, 1, 8 so this way and 4 is so this way. 3184, our answer is option A is correct answer. Next question is question number 57. Balancing the equations 20, 4, 2, 2 equal 12. If we put the first equation minus, plus, divide. According to BODMAS rules, divide is solved firstly. Divide 20 minus 4 plus 2. 2 is divided by 2, then 1. 20 plus 1, 21 minus 4 is equal to 17. Our equation is not balanced. If we try the option B, divide into plus. 20 is divided by 4, then 5 into 2 plus 2 equal 12. 5 into 2, 10 plus 2 equal 12. 10 plus 2, 12 equal 12. Our equation is balanced. Then our answer is option B. Option B is correct answer. Next question is question number 58. If plus means minus, minus means into means divide, divide means plus, thus solve. 20 into means divide. 4 minus means into 2, plus means minus 4, equal. According to board mass rule, divide is solved firstly 20 divided by 4, then 5 into 2 minus 4 equal 5 into 2 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Option D is our correct answer. C. Option D, 6 is correct answer. Next question is find the next term B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. As you see, B, C, D, B, F, B2, 6, 10, plus 4, then we also add plus 4 is 14, 14 means N. N is first term only option C. Option C is our correct answer. Next question is consider the following two figures marks X and Y showing one fold in X and cut in Y. From amongst the answers, figure A, B, C, D, select the one showing the unfolded position of Y. As you see, paper is folded in this way, then we also open this way. If cut is there, then we open this figure. Our answer is so this way circle. Option B is correct answer.